VALINTA is the new platform for architectural and urban lighting. It comes in 3 sizes. There are also 3 different designs. A simple and neat version called VALINTA Curve, another with decorative stripes called VALINTA Groove, and a third in the style of a lampshade. Its name is VALINTA Scope. VALINTA is both a floodlight for architectural lighting and a luminaire for urban lighting. The architectural lighting variants are equipped with collimator lenses. They offer 16 to 52 LEDs, depending on the size. They are available with different color temperatures, a high color rendering index of 80 and a chromatic consistency of 3 macadam ellipses. VALINTA is also available with RGBW LEDs. The positioning of the LEDs is quite unique, with a nod to stained glass art. All architectural lighting variants can be controlled with DMX. With the RGBW variants, each color can be controlled individually. The combinations of red and white, or green and blue look stunning. For urban lighting, VALINTA luminaires MIDI and Maxi rely on Schrader's state-of-the-art platform, LensoFlex 4. They share this technology with Schrader's latest urban luminaires, such as the Flexia range. It offers a wide range of light distributions with the highest energy efficiency. Zooming in on the LED engine, we see that the collimator lenses are embedded in black opaque cylinders. As a result, light is only emitted towards the front, which prevents light pollution and makes VALINTA very comfortable when viewed from the side. The perfect finish of the urban version, with the embellishment plate around the LEDs, not only emphasizes a high-quality appearance but also maximizes the light output. All VALINTAs benefit from a simple installation procedure thanks to a unique locking mechanism. It is available for surface or pole mounting. Both options are designed for easy installation in 3 steps. Fix the base, insert the male part and turn it to lock it. Then fix it with 2 screws. Thanks to this clever system, one person can manage the installation by him or herself. All VALINTAs rely on the same mounting bracket. It offers orientation adjustments on 2 axes, rotation and inclination. Optionally, the optical block can be rotated to fine-tune the light distribution on site. VALINTA is always delivered pre-wired. The cables are concealed in the assembly. The designers have taken great care to hide all the technical aspects. There are virtually no visible screws. The air vent, which prevents condensation and enables demisting, is perfectly integrated. Access to the tilt settings is hidden by a cover. As the floodlight can be installed in all possible positions, the drainage of rainwater is essential. VALINTA has 4 drainage areas for rainwater, even though it offers an IP66 tightness level. Hidden fixing points allow the mounting of accessories such as a cannon or a hood. As you can see, our designers know that the difference between something good and something great is attention to detail.